Welcome to the Basics Hub. If you're looking to boost your productivity and create a more efficient workspace, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 simple yet powerful work hacks that will transform your daily routine. Whether you're working from home or in an office, these hacks are easy to implement and can make a significant difference in how you work. Let's get started. Hack 1. Desk Cable Management. Our first hack tackles the common problem of tangled cables. It's amazing how quickly they can become a mess. All you need are some binder clips. Here's how to do it. Clip the binder clips to the edge of your desk. Feed each cable through the metal loops of the clip. Adjust the cables as needed. This simple trick keeps your cables organized, prevents tangling, and makes your workspace look much neater. Plus, it saves you time when you need to unplug or switch devices. If you want to take it a step further, consider labeling each cable with washi tape or a label maker for easy identification. Hack 2. Portable Office Kit. Next up is the Portable Office Kit. This is perfect for those who work from multiple locations, whether it's at home, in a coffee shop, or at the office. Here's what you need: a sturdy tote bag or backpack, pens and notepads, chargers for your devices, a small power strip, sticky notes, and highlighters. Organize these items in your tote bag for easy access. You might also want to include a small snack or water bottle to keep your energy up while you work. Having everything in one place means you can grab your bag and go without worrying about forgetting essentials. Hack 3. Motivational Wall Art. Boost your morale with some DIY motivational wall art. A positive environment can greatly enhance your productivity. Here's how to create your own. Choose inspiring quotes or images that resonate with you. Print them out or write them on colorful paper. Frame them or use washi tape to create borders. Arrange them on your wall for maximum impact. You can even rotate quotes monthly to keep things fresh. Consider using frames that match your decor style. This adds a personal touch and makes your workspace feel more inviting. Hack 4. Time Blocking Schedule. Time blocking is a game changer for task management. It helps you focus on one task at a time without distractions. Here's how to implement it. Use a digital calendar like Google Calendar or a physical planner. Assign colors to different types of tasks. Blue for meetings, green for focused work, yellow for administrative tasks. Schedule your day in blocks, allocating specific times for each task and including breaks. For example, dedicate an hour in the morning for deep work without interruptions, followed by a short break to recharge. This method helps you visualize your day and ensures that you're dedicating time to what matters most. Hack 5. Ergonomic Workspace Setup. Last but not least, let's talk about ergonomics. Investing in your comfort can significantly boost your productivity and well-being during long hours of work. Consider an adjustable chair that supports good posture, a desk converter that allows you to alternate between sitting and standing, proper monitor height. Your screen should be at eye level with the top of the monitor at or slightly below eye level. Additionally, ensure that your keyboard and mouse are positioned so that your arms are at about a 90-degree angle when typing. Remember, comfort leads to longer periods of focused work and less fatigue. If you're unsure about your setup, there are many online resources available that provide ergonomic assessments. And there you have it, 5 simple yet effective work hacks that can transform your productivity. From cable management to ergonomic setups, these small changes can make a big difference in how you work every day. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips. Share your favorite work hacks in the comments below. We'd love to hear what works for you. Happy working!